Hey there, my name's Aaron with AtoZ Window Screens, and I'm here with a little public service announcement. We've been doing custom window screens for over 25 years, and one of the most common issues we have is people break their own screens. They're trying to get the screen in and out of the window, and out of frustration or out of impatience or just not knowing what they're doing, they accidentally break the screen and they have to call us to come out. So in an effort to try to help make sure that doesn't happen, I'm here to teach you how to get your window screen in and out super easy. The first thing you need to be aware of is there are actually two pull tabs on most window screens. They are tiny little square guys, somewhere either here or here, or some window screens have the pull tabs on the bottom or on this side, but there's two pull tabs somewhere along the edge of the window. And directly across from that pull tab is usually some sort of spring, a flat spring that keeps the screen in position. It's super easy to get the window screen out. First, get a butter knife or a putty knife or something of some sort. Find where the pull tab is. Go directly across from where the pull tab is, and with your thumb, push gently on the screen. Push it into the pocket. As you push the screen into the pocket, you'll come across. It'll create a gap where you can get your butter knife or your regular knife, and you're simply going to pry the screen out. First corner is that one, the bottom corner next to the pull tab. Next corner is this side here. And then just kind of pull straight down at an angle, and the screen comes out super easy. And you can see there's a pull tab here and a pull tab here, a spring here, and a spring here. The secret is, again, to locate where your pull tab is, get your thumb directly opposite of where the pull tab is, and push gently on the screen. You get the screen back in, it's super easy. You're going to go the exact opposite of what you just did. You're going to get the first corner in where the spring is, get the second corner, this corner here, tucked up into the pocket. Then you're going to slide the whole screen up, get the second spring in position, push it in with your hand, and push that last corner in position and release. And the screen's back in. No muss, no fuss, and no having to pay us to come out and replace broken and bent screens. But not all windows have pull tabs on the side here. Many windows have pull tabs across the bottom, and the springs are located on top of the window. If that's the case with yours, it's just almost exactly the same steps. You're going to figure out where the springs are on the screen frame. You're going to gently push your thumb on that screen frame and push up. And in so doing, you're going to create an opening or a gap across the bottom. You'll use your butter knife or your putty knife or your regular knife and gently pry this bottom corner out. And once you have that corner out, you're home free. You simply just get the other corner out and pull straight down. You can see here the springs are located on the top of this particular window screen, and that means the pull tabs are across the bottom. To get the screen back in position, super easy. Just take the top of the screen, put it in the pocket where it came from, use your thumb to gently push up, swing the bottom in, and push it in. One thing I want to caution you is when you're taking screens in and out, it's really easy to bend these frames. They're just lightweight aluminum, so you have to be very careful never to pry from the center of the frame, because that's where the screen is the weakest, the frame will bend. Whenever you're prying or using your putty knife or anything else, you're always doing it from the very outside corners, because that's where the most support is for the frame. It's less likely to bend. Never, ever, ever grab the screen itself and try to force it in by pulling up on the frame and trying to get it in. It's a guaranteed way to bend your frame. So thanks for joining me for this little public service announcement, little tutorial with AtoZ Window Screens. Following these steps will keep you from seeing me too often. But if you're lonely sitting at home and you feel like spending money unnecessarily, we're more than happy to come out and fix the screens that you break on a regular basis.